It's time for Top That Trade. Joining us, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Uckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys, with round number one, lemonade stand. Sometimes the market can give you lemons, and I know you've been very concerned about a squeeze in Tesla. So where do you stand on this stock now?
Wow, we warned about this Tesla.
Yes, we did.
These momentum stocks, it's hard to short. It's not just an Elon Musk thing. There's so many of these companies that you're going to get burnt if they continue to move higher, and there's nothing you can do to stop it.
It is. And, you know, if you look at the balance sheet of some of these companies, you can say, why not short this on? Right, it doesn't matter. I mean, look at all the companies that lost money for years.
Irrational.
Right. They can be. They can't look at the big picture.
But this is a short squeeze of the ultimate short squeezes. We warned about it 3 weeks ago that it's difficult to be short because the question is, when do you get out? It can go a lot higher than what you possibly think.
Exactly.
And there's still more upside. Now, this is not the first time this has happened to Tesla.
That's not to say you should never short a stock, but as long as you have billions to lose, like there was lost on Tesla, you could do that yourself.
So in one day, it was $1 billion and more. This is not the first time. This stock went from 175 up to 375 in 2017. So this has happened over and over again. People don't believe, and guess what happens? It can be very, very expensive.
All right, guys, gear up for round number two, E-Olympic pick. The E-game craze is almost out of control here. So which stock do you pick to win the gold?
Ta-da! We got EA Sports. We've got, which ones do you
like? Are you a gamer?
I am a little bit of a gamer. I used to, well, I could get the princess for Mario Brother for years.
I don't think this is what we're talking about. So this is a big deal. They sell out stadiums, and these kids will come in there and have a big, giant game together.
Absolutely.
This is hundreds and millions of dollars of revenue.
You know what bothers me, though? They don't have Top That Trade video game yet.
There you go.
Well, we got to get going with that.
We should come up with an app. There's an app for everything else.
We've got to do it.
So anyway, so what stocks offer opportunities in this space, do you
think?
I
like EA Sports is one of my favorites right now.
Well, I'm not a gamer, so I look at the money market.
Okay.
So when I want to E-Trade, I look at E-Trade.
Okay.
So I'll look at E-Trade, Schwab, and Ameritrade. So looking at these stocks, they've come a long way. So that's where I think people of our generation, those are our games, looking at the investment world. So I think these companies have a lot more upside left. They've gone nothing but straight up. E-Trade went from 20 to 60 bucks, and it's unchanged the last 3 months. So look for that maybe to make a move as people get a little more confidence in the markets and start participating again.
Here's your third round, Brick House. Despite almighty Amazon, TJ Maxx and Burlington are doing just fine, thank you. So what's the better buy?
I think their days are numbered. I really do. I think when we look at these stocks, they're the best. And besides, when they close these stores, I don't know where Ellen's going to do his Christmas
Burlington,
shopping.
It used to be Burlington Coats, and now it's Burlington.
Coat Factory, Burlington,
no, they took the Coat Factory out.
Exactly.
They do more than coats. They're up 80% in 1 year.
TJ Maxx.
TJ Maxx, TJX is up 40% in a year. So this has been straight up. It's like a mystery to me. I can't understand.
Let me give you one that I like even better. I think get away from brick and mortar.
Oh, so not on the list?
Etsy, I'm going off the list. I gave you the one on the list. If I had my choice, I'd go TJ Maxx on the list. Okay, if I had to pick one of the two. Etsy, which was one of your favorites a few months ago.
Yeah,
it's not only performed, it was $13 stock. It's almost at $48. We think it could go to $100. So this is a very long-term stock.
As in we or the
and it's new technology. And Alan, I don't think you've ordered off of Etsy yet.
Dollar Tree. If we're talking about discount stocks, Dollar Tree kind of fell off a cliff. It did fall. It's been bottoming out at 80. So we're at 90 right now. 115 has been the recent high. So I think the value is going to come back to that.
Get ready for your bonus round question for today. A form of asbestos was recently found where? In crayons, backpacks, or bitcoins?
So I picked backpack because a backpack has a crayon in it, so I get both.
Absolutely. I'm going to say crayons.
How's that for logic?
Crayons. It's good. It's good if you don't know the answer. I'm going to go with crayons.
The answer is crayons.
Crayons.
But crayons go in backpacks.
Yeah.
Alan will give you a half right on this one. Business First AM continues right after this. Thanks, guys.